Welcome again to the next part of this trigonometry, that is trigonometrical identities. We want to see important formulas in this topic. Remember, in Pythagoras theorem, it is noted that if here is the hypotenuse, here, if here is angle 90 degrees, here will be hypotenuse, okay? Then if you have theta here, here will be opposite, while here will be adjacent. Why? This is because the hypotenuse and the adjacent are the line that joins together to form this angle. Okay? Now, from here, we noted that in Pythagoras theory that hypotenuse, which is hyp squared, is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Let's say the opposite to be B and the adjacent to be A. Then this means opposite B squared plus what? A squared equals to C squared. Okay? Then, in this aspect, this is about Pythagoras theorem. When you divide everything with C squared, you'll be having everything divided by C squared. That will be, this divide this, 1 equals to B squared over C squared plus A squared over C squared. That is it. So, what you do now is, you go to this, you say, what is my sine theta? Since angle is there. Sine theta from so, opposite over hypotenuse, opposite B, all over hypotenuse C. Then that implies that if you square sine theta squared, you will be having that you will square B. It will also mean that you also square C. Then we come again, we say, what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse A over C. That means if you square cos theta, you will be having cos theta all square equals to square. If you square this, it means you square A and square C. It will give you A squared over C squared. Okay? Now, do you notice that we have A squared over C squared and B squared over C squared here? That means that 1 is equal to sine square theta, which is this, plus cos square theta. This is equation 1 in trigonometry. We now write it here, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is equation 1. We call it equation 1. Then another formula we need to know is, if we divide everything with sine square theta, if we divide everything with sine square theta, you'll be having sine square theta over sine square theta plus cos square theta over sine square theta plus 1 equal to 1 over sine square theta. Now, this divide this will give you 1 plus this divided cos over sine is cotangent theta. Cotangent square theta. 1 over sine is cosec square theta. So this equation 2. Then we come again. We say, what if we divide everything with cos square theta? We'll be having cos square theta all over cos square theta equal to 1 over cos square theta. Then this divide sine over cos is tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. This is equation 3. So any of these formulas are very, very helpful in solving trigonometry. Okay? Then we have seen this first formula, 1, 2, 3. Then it is noted that noted that sine A plus B, this is on compound angles. In compound angles, sine A plus B equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. That means that when you have sine A plus A, that will be giving you sine 2A equals to sine A plus A equal to sine 2A, sine A cos A, that will be giving you 2 sine A cos what? A. This is equation 4 and this is equation 5. If you plug it here, you have this. Okay? Then we go to the next equation, sine A minus B equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. This is equation 6. But when you have sine A minus A minus A 0, sine 0 is 0. Equation 7. We come again, we say cos A plus B, that will be giving us cos A plus B to be cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. That means that when we have cos A plus A, the implication is that here will be cos A, because A has replaced B, minus sine A, sine what? A. This is equation 8. Then this is equivalent to cos square A minus sine squared A, because they are the same. Then here, since this formula says that sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Since our theta is A, we say sine square A equal to cos square equal to this. I will replace this with this. I will say that means that A plus A, 2A equals to, I will say cos square A minus bracket 1 minus bracket, what is sine square A? 1 minus cos squared A. What will it be giving us? Cos square A minus 1 plus minus times minus plus cos squared A. That will be giving us 2 cos squared A minus 1. You say this is equation 9. Okay? Then we go to cos A minus B. That means cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Then this is equation 10. Then what if we have cos A minus A? A minus A is 0. Cos 0 is said to be 1. So this will be implying cos 0 equal to 1. You say this is equation 11. Then we continue. We now go to tan. Tan A plus B, that will be equal to tan A plus tan B all over 1 minus tan A tan B. Equation 11. That means that tan A plus A will be equal to tan A plus tan A all over 1 minus tan A tan A. So once you sort this out, you will be getting tan A plus A 2A equals to tan A plus tan A 2 minus tan squared A. That is equation 12. We come again. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B all over 1 plus tan A tan B. That tells us that when you have tan A, this is equation 13, minus A. Tan A minus A is 0, tan 0 is 0. Okay? Then we continue because we have a lot of formulas to derive in this trigonometry. We come again, we say sine A cos B is equal to 1 over 2 bracket sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Then cos A sine B is equal to 1 over 2 bracket sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Then cos A cos B is equal to 1 over 2 bracket cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Then sine A sine B is equal to 1 over 2 bracket cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this is equation 15, 16, 17, 18. We are not stopping here in the derivation of the equations. We now say that cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B all over 2 cos A minus B all over 2. Then we come again, cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sine A plus B all over 2, then sine A minus B all over 2. Minus 2 sine A plus B all over 2 sine A minus B all over 2. Then we come again, sine A plus sine B will be giving us 2 sine A plus B all over 2 cos A minus B all over 2. Okay? Then finally we say sine A minus sine B is the same thing as, look at the formula, 2 cos A plus B, 2 cos A plus B all over 2 sine A plus B all over 2. So these are formulas. This is equation 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have as many formulas as possible in trigonometry. These are some of it. See the next video because we want to see a lot of questions we have to solve using this formula. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video as you watch it. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.